In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your key performance indicators directly inside ClickUp so your numbers stay current, visible, and genuinely useful for decision making. Let's get straight to it. Open ClickUp and head to the list in your workspace where you want your KPIs to live. This list can represent your entire business or a specific function like marketing, engineering, or operations. Think of it as your single source of truth, the hub where goals and metrics come together, so everyone knows what matters and what's being measured. Inside that list, open the task where you want to add or organize your KPIs. The exact task depends on your setup. It might represent a project, a department, or a big objective. Within that task, look for the plus icon. Click that to add a new item using a template, which saves time and keeps your structure consistent. When the menu opens, select Templates. ClickUp includes built-in KPI templates, so you don't have to build fields and columns from scratch. Choose the template that fits what you're tracking right now: revenue, customer support performance, marketing metrics, or anything else that drives your results. You'll see a short overview of how the template is designed. Take a moment to review it to make sure it aligns with your needs. Then click Use Template. You'll be prompted to confirm or edit the list name where this KPI setup will be added. You can keep the default or customize it to something clear and time-bound, like Q2 Marketing KPIs or Operations KPIs, 2026. When it looks right, click Use Template again to finalize. Now, your KPIs are created as individual tasks. Each one includes fields for target values, current performance, timeframes, and ownership. Set owners to clarify accountability and establish how often you'll update them. Weekly or monthly tends to work well. If your plan supports it, consider tying updates to automations or integrations to reduce manual entry. Be consistent with units and definitions, so everyone interprets the data the same way. For a high-level snapshot, open the summary view. This gives you instant clarity on what's on track, what needs attention, and what's falling behind. When you need to align teams, switch to the departmental OKR view. It shows objectives and key results by department, so teams and individuals can see exactly what they're responsible for and how their work connects to outcomes. Finally, head to the progress view. This is where your tracking comes alive, revealing whether you're advancing toward goals or slipping off pace. Use it during weekly or monthly check-ins to focus the conversation, align work with real business results, and confidently pause initiatives that aren't tied to meaningful metrics.